Good morning, my dear students. Today we will start with our chapter 17, that is Fundamental Rights and Duties. The fundamental rights and the fundamental duties are mentioned in the constitution of a country. First, we will know what is a constitution. A constitution is a book of rules that guides how a country should be governed. It also gives guidelines on making laws. The constitution includes the methods, powers, and duties which must be followed by the government and citizens of our country. The Constitution of India is the longest written constitution in the world. Dr. Bhim Rao Ambedkar is known as the father of Indian Constitution because he drafted the Constitution of India. The Constitution also highlights the fundamental rights, directive principles, and fundamental duties of the citizens of the country. The Constitution of India came into effect on January 26, 1950. 26th January is a national festival in India and celebrated as Republic Day. Indian constitution is based on the principles of democracy, socialism and secularism. We will discuss about these terms in detail in our next class. Therefore, according to our constitution, our country is a socialist, secular, democratic republic country. I hope all of you have clearly understood the meaning of constitution. In simple word, the Constitution of India is a rule book that lays down the powers of the government and the rights and duties of the citizens of our country. The Constituent Assembly took almost 3 years, that is, 2 years, 11 months, and 17 days to complete the drafting of the Constitution for independent India. Thank you for watching. Keep revising the modules.